the map for the Six Flags Rockford. Guest services. And we're here with the crew, the whole crew, even Waldo's here. So, new water park pretty much. It's not like the other one, so it's less crowded. And just lots of rafts everywhere.
A lot of things to do.
You can grab a raft.
Grab a raft.
So I can't wait. I'm gonna check out their wave pool and check out their the wave pool in the lazy river. So let's go check it out. Bye. There she goes, going up. And she's gonna be on this slide firstly, and she's gonna be right on that one. She's shocked.
You gotta go straight down, not sideways.
Well, how was that? No words?
No worries.
You got scared. I saw you stall for a second.
You'll get used to it.
You wanna go? You wanna go again?
No, all the way up those stairs.
It's tougher to go upstairs. It's quick to come down.
I love this radio station. They call it Hurricane Hits, Hurricane Harbor Hits or something. Pretty neat. Hey guys, look who's here, the numbers. Hey, just in time too. What'd you guys get?
Garlic nuts and pizza.
Garlic nuts and pizza. That's what she said. Looks yummy. Alright, you guys dig in. I'm just trying to get a view. Doused by that big bucket yet? Not yet. Oh, there it goes. Speaking of, woo, we gotta go over there and check it out. I think we have to go across the bridge or something. So that's that big slide that she went down. How was going down that big slide? How was going down that big slide?
Scary.
Scary? I saw you try to stop yourself. I was like, good luck. Want some forces of nature?
Was the entrance, the place I was sitting, and then the end. That's all I saw. I didn't see no other new thing. It was nah.
This is their lazy, or I keep wanting to say lazy, but it's the wave pool, right? It's not their lazy river.
It's their wave pool, somewhat.
Yeah, I don't see many waves. I mean, it's like really light. Light.
I say Six Flags, their waves are like really high. This one is kind of like that. It's not that big. Very. I will say this, that they go up to 6 feet. You can get out there, so you gotta be careful if you're not you're under 6 feet. You gotta make sure you know how to swim because you'll go under.
You'll go under, right?
You can't go all the way out there because I'm not 6 feet. So.
Right, I know.
Swim, though.
I definitely am not 6 feet. That's for sure.
So it's okay.
Yeah. Is it? Would you say it's about the same size as Great America?
Six Flags has a little out more. Probably bigger at Six Flags.
You think it's bigger, like wider?
A little bigger, yeah.
Yeah, I want to say I agree.
A little bigger, but it goes out farther. I think ours park is like once you get to like 5'8", then it has that garter. There's
right.
You look at it, it goes all the way down almost. So that little blue and white rope.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
So yeah.
Yeah.
You get to go out more, but caution. Observer or learn how to swim.
Right? Caribbean Cove. Or is it Caribbean Cove? Tomato, tomato.
Ping pong.
What else? What else sounds the same? Caramel.
Preston painted pictures of Peyton putting Preston Impossible poppies. Or alliteration. I got you.
All right. Over here we got. Oh, what's that? You're giving me your soul?
Yeah.
Oh, you do kind of look like the Grim Reaper. I gotta admit, and I'm just kidding. Give me your soul. But you gotta hold on to it though. Here.
Okay, I gotta go in there.
No, put it back inside your shoe. So I guess those are like some of the cabanas or something that you can rent, and those little huts. And in here, get this little plot of land. Oh, this one's broken. Private rental. And they have another area over here. I guess you could rent a, I don't know, a little patio place, some chairs, some picnic tables, a garbage can. Ooh, I can't wait to see the bathroom. Oh wait, the bathrooms are over there.
They let you go in front of him?
Yeah, they were afraid.
They eventually got to come down.
Yeah.
They're going to try it. Nadia's been on it twice. They're going to try it today.
Yep, we got number 3 and number 5. Perfect!
What a perfect slide!
You did it, man!
They're like a pro.
He's like, get me out of this!
How was it? How was it?
I guess it was good.
You got scared?
Yeah, kind of, because going down the hill, I'm like, oh my god, the speed. And
They're like, it's not bad.
Kind of took some skin off that back, huh?
Would you do it again?
I'm good.
Okay, here we go, a little souvenir shop. Island Traders. Let's see here. That goes. Little snack shop. Waters. An ice cream bin. There's Coaster Nick over there looking at some ice cream. Some more hats. What's that? Oh yeah, I saw that. I just looked at the ice cream bin.
Stop doing that.
Yeah, they should bring it back. In case you forget your sunscreen. Nice bucket hats. Flip-flops. Some toys. Ooh, that's me. I like the red, white, blue. And some cups. Hurricane Harbor cups. Little squirt guns. Mermaids. Oh, they're pretty. Oh, I remember this shirt from Great America. Had that one. Oh, they got a little lifeguard section. just that. And hats. And some shorts. It's a little small store, but just an idea of some of the merchandise they have. Like jewelry. Squishy stars. I don't think I've seen those before. Some more cute mermaids. There's some lunch. Waters. King Harbor shirts. Man. All you need just flip-flop shorts and sunscreen. And that's it. Snap Shack. Here they got Cheetos popcorn. Oh, with some Cheetos in it. Okay. And Coaster next got
Pretzel with cheese.
pretzel with cheese.
Six Flags Great America does not have the cheese included. This one does.
That's right. Yep. So this is another wing of the park. I don't know where the numbers went. There's like, I don't know, I saw something. And then there's some people.
I think she's on this one.
She's still on the...
Let's go.
There she is. Hold your breath.
Family.
Doggy
You're okay.
paddle.
It's only 3 feet.
I did that.
It's only 3 feet.
Are you kidding me?
It's only 3 feet. She's like 5 foot. What? How was that?
Good.
You gotta take your thing off?
Yeah, I have to take them off, unfortunately.
Oh my god. You can always spot her on her scream.
Here's shark bites, but they're closed. It's their menu.
Alright, mealtime number 2. We got the mac and cheese bacon hot dog with fries. And then we got the chili cheese dog with fries.
Which they messed up. That's
supposed to have chips.
See the Doritos nacho cheese?
Yeah.
But then they give the Doritos Cool Ranch, so I don't know.
Oh, I prefer Cool Ranch.
That's fine.
So
Hey, they mess up sometimes.
I'm gonna not eat all this. The kids are gonna help us because they're out of it, especially this one right here. Yeah. What's the matter? That slide took you out of it, huh? He's not used to wading in water. Sorry.
Nah.
But
let's dig
in. All right, this is not your typical hot dog. If you look at it, let me look. Turn around. Turn around so I can see the hot dog. Let me move your hand. That's like a Polish sausage, which I approve.
They have a lot of bacon bits on it.
Yeah, it's pretty tasty, pretty good.
I'm sorry, they had a lot of bacon bits on it.
I think it's like a white cheddar cheese on it, or some kind of Fredo sauce on it.
How are you? Yes, you did
You got found Waldo.
How about that? Here you go.
Hi.
Hello, everybody.
Anyways, we'll see how the chili cheese dog tastes in a minute.
Nice, cool wind. I love this type of weather.
And getting caught. Waldo getting caught. That's supposed to be your job now.
Come on, guys.
That's number what? 15,
Man,
20?
No, it's like more. Oh, here comes another one.
Come on, Dave, finish.
Hello.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is there more coming? Yeah.
There you go. You're welcome.
You're quite the famous person today. Another one.
Here you go. You're welcome.
No.
Yeah. You're holding on to that mac and cheese. I see it on the top. You have to bite it off.
I think you're about to give out more than Six Flags.
Yeah, something. I'm like, wow.
Well, you're very easy to. Oh, another one.
Hi, what's my character? You have to look on the hat.
Where's
You know Waldo character? Here you go.
Oh, we're almost out. Dang.
Yeah. I'm like, hello. Hi.
You want one?
Oh, I hope I have enough. Hello, everybody.
Oh, no.
Here you go.
I think that's the last one, right?
I had one more, but then I got these. Here you
Back
go.
up.
You're welcome. I got some backup. Yeah, the other day ones. Hello. Hi.
Oh,
I'm gonna give you guys these because I ran out of the Where's Waldo ones. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. There's an airhead. You're welcome. Thank you. Have a good day.
I think that's a wrap for that.
Yeah.
I think you better take the hat off.
I need to take the
and the
hat-
glasses.
I need to take the glasses off. I need to take the shirt off. You know it.
Yeah.
We're good. Now we're good.
We out. Had a good day.
Yeah.
We'll come back again someday.
Hopefully.
Yeah.